how to make a playlist on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you make a playlist on YouTube on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application YouTube on your iPhone. Alright, after you open YouTube, you'll got such interface. So from your at the bottom right, you'll have to tap on your profile icon. Alright, after tap on that, you'll got such interface. So from here, on the section playlist, you'll have to tap on plus icon just at the beside of view all section. Alright, after you tap on that, you'll be able to create a new playlist on your YouTube. So from your on the section title, you'll have to give a title for your playlist. Alright, after you give a title, you can also change the privacy of your playlist. So for that, tap on the option private over here, and from the section you can manually change the privacy of your playlist as public, unlisted or private. So simply select one from here, and after you select it, you can also add some collaboration on your playlist. So simply after you're done from there, tap on the option create. Alright, after you tap on that option, you'll be able to find your playlist on YouTube, and from that way, tap on the option add videos to add videos or music on that playlist. So simply in the search field, you'll be able to search the videos for your playlist, and simply from there you can as usual add that on your playlist. Okay, as you can see, the playlist has been created on my YouTube. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.